This is my Amazon Echo Plus. I received it a long time ago. It's free with my broadband. I haven't opened it yet, so let's do it today. So, okay, we have some just a bubble thing, and we have a Philips smart things. It's a smart bulb you can operate with Amazon Alexa, and the other thing should be the Amazon Echo Plus. Okay, so that's the right side. So Echo Plus, it's a quite heavy thing, and this is a bulb. So two things in one package. I have a scale here. Let's say how heavy this Echo Plus. Oh my God! It's 1 kilo 113 gram. So it's more than 1 kilo. It's relatively heavy thing. And I think this Philips bulb, smart bulb, not that heavy. It's only 126 gram. Let's have a look at the bulb first. So the bulb is a Philips Hue personal wireless lighting, white. It's a single bulb. E27 is warm white. So let's open it first. So we have a sticker here. So we just cut the sticker first. I have cut the sticker so we can just open it. So this is a hanging hook. So inside here. Okay, here's the card. Okay, that's the bulb. So this is the bulb. So the E27. Okay. And another thing is a kind of instruction. The bulb looks very normal, just like a normal LED bulb. I think the difference is that inside there should be circuits you can operate with Amazon Alexa. You can switch it on and off. Or maybe even you can control the brightness in the app. So next let's look at this Echo Plus. So Echo Plus is a built-in smart home hub and premium sound. This is something you can see, say turn off the light, call mom or whatever with this device. It is a far-field voice control. It's on, it's on. And on this side, okay, this is say the personalized Alexa with thousands of skills, including so it's a where the internet connect a lot of things, even just the Hue light bulb as we have got, radio, BBC One, Amazon Music, Spotify, a lot of other things the guy supports. So it is a smart device. So let's just open it up. So the plastic bag, and yeah, we have here to open it. We have opened the plastic bag, and here there's another seal, so we can cut this seal before we open this top cover. Yeah. And there's this. We can lift it up, I think. Oh my God, That's the heavy thing. Okay. What left inside? So nothing now. So look at this. So there's the top, there's a cylinder thing. This is the Echo Plus, and at the bottom there's the box. Yeah, this should be the adapter. Yeah, that's the adapter. Arms on. Yeah, it's also said on the box what's included. Amazon Echo Plus, second generation, power adapter, 30 watt. So we have got this quite big, and the adapter. It seems there's a small menu over here. And plus, the white one is just a warranty, and the black one is a simple instructions. So if you look at the picture, you can see here is just the operation, the buttons on the top of the device, what they are, and the connections. I think that should be the power adapter, power port, and auxiliary audio input or output. You can configure in the Alexa app. And then I think this is a plug in your main power adapter here, plug in at the bottom of the Echo Plus, and then you have to use your mobile phone to set everything up, download the Alexa app. Yeah, I found another card from this square box. This is about things to try. So music, radio, smart home, question answers, a timer, alarm, calendar. Yeah, just a list of things you can do. News, weather, traffic, Alexa, calling, messaging, Alexa skill, audible, audiobooks, or anything. See? So we can see on the Echo Plus we have a plastic cover. I think to remove this, just we have here, just yeah, it's a sticker. So open up. I think this just take this up. It will be okay. I need two hands to do that. Now I have got this plastic sleeve out of the body of the Echo Plus, as you can see. Yeah, the bottom something, a square button or something. There's also threaded hole. Maybe you can fix it to somewhere with a screw, so that it won't falling down. And also for buttons on the top, there's some holes, could be for microphone. And we have the power connector and the audio connector for audio input output. Buttons on the top. So we can see here we have the minus and the plus, that's for volume. And we have left here, this is the microphone. You can switch off the microphone. And this one, there's the dot. I think it's for function, action. We can press, we can confirm something, something like that. So that's all for this Echo Plus.